Hi guys, welcome to POMCLOSET. Today I'm going to create something very simple, very easy, and we will need them to decorate our Christmas tree. It's now December and I just want to do some of the decorations. I have like 3 different designs. So you will need the cotton yarn, 100 in the gründl brand. You can use any brand as long as the cotton in white, 4-ply, which you can use with crochet hook, a pair of cutter, the yarn needle and a tape measure. I will start for the very simple and easy one first, which is like a small stars, and I will do the magic ring. So you can position the yarn like this, behind the fingers like this, so it has create the X. Then you turn it back to this side. Now we use the crochet hook. Put the crochet hook under the first yarn, and then the second one you just bring it up and then bring the yarn over like this to create a little loop, a little magic ring here. And then after that you need to change 2, so you will have 3 chains like this, and then do 14 more of the double crochets. So I have 2, I count 3 chain as double crochets, 3, 4, 5, and the last double crochet is 15. And then you can pull this in to make it tight in the middle part here. After that, slip stitch on the 3rd chain from the beginning. Here's my 3rd chain. Do the slip stitch to create the first row or the first row, and you can pull this tight. We will weave this ends in later. After that, chain up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Then do the single crochet on the third chain from the hook, single crochet, next one half double crochet, the next one double crochet, and the last one it's the triple crochet. Like this, and then you skip 1, 2, go to the 3rd one and do a slip stitch, and then chain 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, single crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook, the one next to it half double crochet, the next one double crochet, and then triple crochet on the last one here. Skip 2, go to the 3rd one, and then slip stitch. The next one you will have to repeat all the way around this circle here by chain 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3rd chain from the hook, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, the last one triple crochet, skip 2, go to the 3rd one, and repeat. And on this part here you can skip 2 and do the slip stitch on the very last stitch here. Chain 1 to close the work, cut off the yarn, and then you can weave all the ends in. So now you will have the shape of these stars here. After that you need the piece of yarn. The length of this piece here is around 8 to 9 inches. and you can just use the crochet hook, insert it on one of these pointy here. Use the crochet hook, insert it. I do it from the back side, and then fold this yarn into half, pull it through, and then pull the yarn through these loops here. So you will have something to decorate the Christmas tree. Now let's move on to the second design. We will do the magic ring again. You will get the ring like this. After that, chain 4. So I have now 2 chains, 3, 4, and then the double crochets, chain 1, double crochet around the circle here, chain 1, double crochet. So the total should be 12 after double crochet, including the 3 chains at the beginning. I have now 5 and 1 chain in between. 7, chain 1, 8, chain 1, 9, chain 1, 10, chain 1, 11, chain 1, and the last double crochet, and then chain 1. I will pull this tight, so the total should be 12 after double crochet, including the 3 chains at the beginning. And then you do have like 1 chain in between the double crochets here. Slip stitch on the 3rd chain from the beginning. So you have the first round and the first row. After that, slip stitch. So you were starting from this part here. Slip stitch and then chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip stitch in between the double crochet. The next one, chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch in between where you did chain 1 here. The next one, chain 6. You will be swapping between chain 6 and chain 5. Now this one is chain 6, slip stitch in the middle part here. 3, 4, 5, chain 5, slip stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the last part here, you only change 2, and then you do the double crochet on the first stitch here where we have started, or where you slip stitch on this part, and you will have the double crochet on this part. So the total you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 mesh all together on the second round. On the third round, you will need to change 2. After that, you do the double crochet on the first mesh here, double crochet, and the next one, double crochet, then chain 4. After that, slip stitch on the 4th chain from the hook, and then the treble crochet all in the same mesh. After that, chain 7, 5, 6, 7, slip stitch on the first chain here, or the 7 chain from the hook, and then you do another treble crochet. After that, chain 4, slip stitch on the 4th chain from the hook,
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11.
Just repeat and then change to slip stitch on the next mesh, and then you will repeat this row. The total you should have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. So I will repeat my So here is the last part, or the last of the snowflake here. You need to change to and then slip stitch on the middle part of this last mesh here. Chain 1 and then I cut off the yarn. Now you will have the shape of these snowflakes. After that you need to weave in the ends and then use the yarn that we have prepared. I will put on any part of the pointing here. Insert a crochet hook from the back side. Pull the yarn. So here is the second motif, the snowflakes. Now let's move on to the third design. The magic ring, the same as the previous two. This circle, and then I would chain 1 first. After that you need to do the single crochet on this ring for 10 of them. So I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 single crochet on this ring, 6, 20 single crochet on this second row. You can row 3, you will need to chain 1 and then do 1 single crochet on the first stitch, chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get back to the same stitch and then do single crochet. Chain with 2, change, and then do the double crochet on where you have the single crochet here. So you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these loops. After that, you need to do 4 more of the double crochet on the first loop. So I count this double crochet as 1, and then I need to do 4 more. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you will have 5 double crochets on these first loops here, and you will need to do the, so you will have the shape of these stars. And then I will use the yarn. Insert this yarn on the middle part so you can hang them on the Christmas tree. Alright guys, all the ornaments and the snowflakes here are done. You can just hang them on the Christmas trees. If you want to use other colors like green or red, feel free to do so. I think they're quite beautiful for the Christmas trees. I have done quite a few of them. I've just found this box, Christmas trees from the seller. We kept downstairs every year. We will bring this up. We need to work on this in the next hours. Once the kids arrive from the school.
Mama, do?
Yeah, out of the box.
No, don't
Ready
go
for the
upstairs.
decorations. Okay. These are the crochet I've done. I will put them on the trees.
Do you also sell them?
No, only done them for the charities for the school.
Wow.
So any questions, please feel free to leave it down in the comment section. I really hope you liked the tutorial. Thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in the next video.